birds. This
Pelican.
pelican has a big, long beak. There is a
Deep. Sack.
sack of sting under its
Beak.
beak. The
Sack.
sack
Holds.
holds fish that the pelican
Scoops.
scoops up from the water. This bird is a
Roadrunner.
roadrunner. It lives in the desert and
Spends.
spends
Most.
most of its time on the ground. It eats desert snake and bug. The Roman runner runs very fast to get food. The
Toucan.
toucan lives in the forest, rainforest. It has a big colorful beak. It uses its
Beak.
beak to
Pick.
pick fruit from tree. The big
Bird.
is
Emu.
emu. It cannot fly because it was small. It has small wings for
Such.
such a huge body, but it has very long
Strong.
leg. It can run very fast to get away from danger. The
Puffin. Eats.
is small fish. It is
Short.
and
Fat.
and was a
Colorful.
beak.
Puffins.
Puffin look funny on land, but they
Spend.
spend most of
There.
their time in the sea. They swim
Under.
under the water with their
Wings.
wings. Most owls
Come.
come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see the
Dark.
dark.
There.
Their
Feathers.
feathers are bright, so
Many.
can fly
Without. making,
making a sound. Honeybirds are the smallest birds. They are
bright,
bright and colorful. They can
stay,
stay in one place with their
fly,
fly. They use their long beak and
tongues,
tongue to get food from flowers.
eagles,
Eagles fly up above the ground. They can
spot,
spot snake, mice, and fish from high above land and water.
eagles,
Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp
beaks,
beaks. They use their feet and beak to catch food and
rip,
rip it
apart,
apart.
cockatoos,
Cockatoo live
thick,
thick,
sharp,
sharp beaks. They can crack nuts, crack
open,
open heavy nuts.
hard,
Hard nut.
cockatoos,
Cockatoo live in land
groups,
group. They can be very loud.
vultures,
Vultures eat
dead,
dead animal. They have
feathers,
feathers on their
heads,
heads.
many,
Many have big
holes,
holes in their
beaks,
beaks. The
holes,
holes stop them to smell food from far away.